Now, most people, when they see profit floating on their accounts, they start to think of the dollar value of that profit. Mostly people in third world countries. I've seen people floating $200, $20, $10, $15, and they leave it. The traders, mostly like in third world countries, they leave that $20 because they think $20 is not as good as $200. True, but have you ever thought about the true monetary value of that $20, of that $15 in relation to which country you come from? Have you ever thought of that? That is something that disturbed me for quite some time when I just started to trade. And the moment I learned this same thing that I'm going to tell you guys today, my trading changed and I started to see profits coming in, and I was able to secure some profits and also be able to pay for the bills, be able to manage life basically. Now, when you look at trading generally, different countries have a different monetary value in terms of the profits you're seeing on your MT4 as you're trading to other countries. For example, if you're in the US or in the UK or any first world country, if you're floating $20, if you're getting $20 per day, it is different from a person who is in Africa getting $20 a day. In Africa, $20 a day is enough to sustain a normal family living for a full month, or an entire month, without any issues. But when you come and think about the $20 in relation to first world countries, then you will start to see that the $20 is not much money. But in fact, in Africa, in a third world country, $20 is enough money to be able to take care of somebody for a full month. Now, myself, I have been trading for quite some time now. It's coming to 2 years now. And trading Forex has been one of the ways I've been getting some money for sustenance, apart from some other things that I'm doing. Making $20 a day will equal $400, which is in Ugandan shillings about 1.5 million. That is above the average salary of most of the people who are in Uganda and in any African country. Making $400 a month is a lot of money just from trading Forex, making $20 a day. Now, just imagine if you are making, for example, $50, $100, because there are people I know who are making more than even $100 per day within Uganda or within the African continent. Now, making $20 a day puts you above average of any citizen of any African country. Putting aside maybe the members of parliament or the magistrates or the doctors, specialist doctors, or any other person who is working in a specialized field. But in my country, the magistrate earns about 5 million, which is about $1,500, roughly $1,500. Now, if you as a trader within Uganda or in any African country, Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, Zambia, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, if you're within any African country and you get funded with some of these prop firms like consummate traders like My Forex Funds or FTMO or any other company, okay, you get funded with, for example, $100,000 account. When you do that, or you pass the funded challenge and you get funded with that kind of account size, just imagine if you can make just 2% of that for any given month, okay? 2%. Say you maintain 2% every month, you can make at least 2%. You will be earning more money than most of the magistrates in Uganda, and you'll be earning more money than almost all the doctors in Uganda, apart from some specialist doctors. So guys, I just wanted to put this out there to remind you to be able to really consider the monetary value of the profits you see floating on your MT4. Don't just leave that money to go, because that money in an African country can sustain you. If you are in Europe or in Dubai or in the UK, it may be a different story for you. You may need to work a bit harder to be able to make your ends meet. But in Africa, it's very easy to make your ends meet with Forex trading, because the cost of living in Africa is really low, okay? It's really low. because when you look at maybe the cost of bread, the cost of most of the basic necessities in the US, it is almost 2 to 3 times higher than the cost in Africa. Because I've seen in some places a banana, just one banana in the US or in Dubai will cost you about $1. Okay, $1 in some places costs around $1, but that $1 in Uganda will buy you almost 6-7 bananas. Okay, so it's the cost of living in Africa is generally lower compared to those other countries. So trading in Africa is more beneficial to the Africans than trading in a first world country. Why am I saying this? Because if you're taking the same trades as the people who are in Europe, or in Asia, in the first world countries, you're taking the same trades and you make the same exact profit. Your cost of living in Africa is much lower than the person who is living first world countries. So your expenditure will be much less as compared to the people living abroad. So you'll be in a much better position to be able to save and also even expand to better or more business ideas apart from just trading. So I just wanted to record this out for you guys. Hope you guys find value in this video. If you find value, leave your comments down below, subscribe, like the video, and let's continue the discussion in the comment section down below. Let us know which country you come from, what's the cost of living in your country in relation to your Forex trading, how are you managing. Let us know in the comment section down below. If I've said something that is not accurate, let us know in the comment section down below. Hope you guys are doing well. Till next time, peace out.